Hi everyone, if you are new here, this is Riya Kanji. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this easy holiday glam look. So without much talking, let's get into the video. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss another update. At first I'm taking car brow from Benefit to filling my brow. First I'm shaping my brows and then filling the sparse area. Then I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser to concealing my eyelid. To stay my brow hair all day long in place, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Gel in the shade of dark brown. I'm taking this Revolution Patricia Bright Shadow Palette in the shade called Queen and blending it well on my crease. Then I'm taking this shade called Modelly and applying it all over my eyelid. And finally I'm blending everything to prevent any harsh lines. Now I'm taking this Lakme Absolute All Perfect Primer and blending it well on my face. For foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty Fox Filter in the shade Baklava and Maybelline Superstay in the shade Golden. I'm mixing both and applying them to my face. Taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, I'm applying it to the highest point on my face and blend it well. To set this foundation and concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm taking this shade Modelly with a small brush and applying it to my bottom lash line. Taking this black shadow with a small brush and creating a soft wing. Next, I'm taking shimmering to highlighting my brow bone and inner corner. To bronzing my face, I'm using Sugar Mini Bronzer in the shade 01 Tip Topper. I'm applying it to my right underneath cheekbones, jawline, forehead and nose as well. For blush, I'm taking Sugar Mini Blush in the shade 01 Peach Pink. Next, I'm using Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara and applying a thick coat to the top and bottom lashes. Then I'm applying a pair of falsies. For lipstick, I'm mixing both NY Bay in the shade Modern Era 6 and Maybelline Superstay Matting in the shade 65 Seductress. After that, I'm applying this shade from the Revolution Sopex Highlighter Palette to the top of my cheekbones, bridge of my nose and Cupid's bow. And last but not the least, to finish this makeup, I'm using MAC Fix Plus. And that's it for today's makeup guys. Here's the final look as you can see. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If so, please like and share this video with your friends and family. Please let me know your thoughts by commenting down below and also let me know what you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in a brand new video soon. I love you all. Bye guys.